Connect the power cord, air pipe, and wire feeder cable. Connecting the wire feeder. Turn on the device button. Install the wire feed tube on the gun head and tighten the squeeze tube. Align the wire feed tube with the welding head. The green light of the S symbol on the gun head is always on, indicating standby mode. The 1, 2, and 3 below indicate that the process can be adjusted. Click the machine screen to adjust the process machine and the gun head will also change accordingly. Click the button on the gun head to switch the process. Change the welding process to 1. Start welding. Change the process to 4 welding. Switch process 2 to process 3 for welding. Remove the wire feeding assembly from the gun head. Replace the gun nozzle with the S2 ID. Enter the process interface and modify the process parameters. Cleaning the weld. Replace the S2OD gun nozzle with a cutting gun nozzle. Enter the process. Adjust the swing to 0 and increase the power appropriately. Cutting work. Switch the system to cleaning mode. Enter the process interface and modify the process parameters. Showing the 20mm cleaning effect, double-click the button to start working. In a clean environment, replace the focusing lines to achieve large area cleaning. Enter the process interface, modify the cleaning width to 120mm, and display the large mass cleaning. Enter the process interface, open the spot welding type, modify the spot welding duration and spot welding interval. Click import, return. Spot welding work demonstration.